1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. So is it nice? Today me and Kihi, we make this and we find it so beautiful, and we want to show you how we did this. To make this, all we need is A4 size paper or a chart paper to draw or to print. For us, since our time is very limited, we choose to print it out. We don't have much time, so you can also draw it. But if you draw it, you have to make sure that this both size has to be same. And if you try to print it out, you can use photo paper. Photo paper is much better. But this time, since we are short of money, so we choose to use this A4 size paper and a chart paper. In chart paper, we have different kinds of chart paper. We have 5 rupees, 10 rupees, soft one, but this time we choose this thick and strong. This is 20 rupees here. I don't know, it depends on your places. With the help of the glue, we paste it so that it may be strong. After we paste it, we cut into this. Take scissor like this and make it whole. For us, we keep a black spot here. Can you see? It's very short like this, and see, yeah, we put here. We make sure that in the same side, and we take first this. This is the front part, and after putting this, we will put the second, the behind one. So this is how we make. But to tighten it, we need one more button. Yeah, here it is. Then where is day one? Where is day one? Yeah, yeah. This is how we make. May God bless us and use us. Thank you.